Hello and welcome back to my channel. Ninja Transfers reached out and asked me if I would like to try one of their gang sheets, and I did. So I grabbed up some of my favorite SVGs that I've designed and threw them on a gang sheet and placed the order. And my order is here. We're going to press one of the transfers, but I want to walk you through the order process real quick. All right, let's get into it. Somehow I lost the screen recording showing you guys the walkthrough of what I did when I ordered my gang sheet or when I built my gang sheet. So I'm going to walk you through again, and it's not going to be the exact sheet I ordered. When you get to the website, you'll come to this page and you have the option to order by size. And that would be maybe if you're ordering a single transfer or something like that, or you have the option to build a gang sheet. Your gang sheets come in 2 feet, 5 feet, 7 feet, 10, 15, 20, and 30 feet. What I ordered was a 5-foot gang sheet. The price for that sheet is $49.99. You have the choices of standard glitter, glow in the dark, gold foil, or silver foil. And then once you've chosen your size, you're going to click on build your own gang sheet. You can auto build and upload multiple images at once. You can start new, edit a previous order, or just do names and numbers. I'm going to click on start new. And then I'm going to drag and drop my files over here. You can see all of the supported formats here in this little box. So a couple of these that I've uploaded this time are ones that I did order before. So you'll get to see what those look pressed. So I'm just going to go through and I am going to click on each one, and you'll want to check and make sure that the size is what you want for each design. And don't worry about them overlapping at this point. And I am also ignoring any warnings right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these sized to where I want them. Now, once I have everything sized, I'm going to click up here on this button and click Auto Nest. Now we see we can fit a couple more on here. I'm going to click on the image and click Duplicate Image. And I'm just going to do a couple of the images. I am not going to ignore this warning. Instead, I'm going to click out of it and take these two and move them, and then try to duplicate again. And one more time, I'm going to click on this auto nest button, and it's got everything nice and nested. I could possibly find something smaller that could go here, but that's it. I have completed my sheet. So then you'll save and add to cart. You can give it a name, and it's telling me that one of my images are low resolution. I believe it's this one, which I'm not sure why. Let's re-upload that image. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and resize that again. I uploaded the wrong image type initially, and the way I figured it out is this little legend right here, and it shows lines around the edge. Like these ones are green, so it's optimal resolution. These two are blue right now, and that's because the images are overlapping. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So we're going to save and add to cart, and now we have green checks all throughout. Then you're going to read this little disclaimer, click the box, add to cart, and exit. And everything else you'll check out just like normal. So you're going to enter in all of your information and choose how you want it shipped, as well as add any add-ons there. All right. And that's how you build and order your gang sheet. I believe we have everything that we need here. We have our heat press. I have a box cutter, our box from Ninja Transfers, a t-shirt, And I can't find my big scissors, so I'm going to have to use these. There is perforation here, so I shouldn't need the box cutter. There's some perma stickers here and 20% off it looks like. And instructions for the perma stickers. Okay, here's the instructions for my transfers here. The gang sheet I ordered was 5 feet. I love all of my designs, but I'm going to press this one. So I'm going to go ahead and get it cut off. The temperature for pressing, it says 310. So I'm going to go ahead and get my press heated up. Actually, I'm going to switch out my heat press because this says we need heavy pressure. All right, so I got my Walla press out and have it turned on and the temperature set and ready to go. I decided to switch angles. So let's see what this says. It says no need to pre-press. Position the design. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure I have my shirt centered on the press. And I'm not sure if all of the prints do, but mine had this little extra piece of ink or DTF or whatever. So I just pull that off first, and then I'm going to center my design. And I am going to use the piece of parchment paper that came in. All right, press is ready. Let's go ahead and give this a 12-second press. It feels like vinyl, but it also feels like it's a part of the shirt. But if you're looking for an alternative to vinyl, then DTF and Ninja Transfers is the way to go. I'm going to drop my link in the description and you can check them out. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple more of these pressed and stick around if you want to see how those ones look too. From my press heating up to getting them all pressed out, it took me about 15-20 minutes because this press takes a little bit longer to heat up. DTF transfers are great for larger orders, and you don't have to worry about weeding anything out. You cut the transfers off, you press them, and boom, you're done. So they are a great alternative. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my DTF. Make sure you check out the link below for Ninja Transfers and drop in the comments if you've used them, how you like them,